Yes. So we were discussing the nouns. In Spanish, a common thing is that we need to understand the following, which I will write now. The nouns ending is usually found on masculine nouns. The words or the noun end with O, it's mean masculino. Generally, masculino nouns end with O, means it refers to male, and feminine nouns ending with A, so refers to female. Masculine nouns ending with O refers to male. Feminine nouns ending with A generally and refers to female. For example, ending with O any noun, El libro, ending with O means the book. Libro means the book, ending with O. El periódico means El periódico means the newspaper, ending with O. The newspaper, ending with O. La mano means the hand. For example, La mano ending with O means all this refers to usually the masculine nouns. For feminine ending with A. For example, mostly refers to or generally refers to female. For example, casa ending with O means la casa means the house. La cara means the face. Cara means face. So ending with A means feminine. Sion, lesion, and lesion is ending with ION form, CION form. Also we have to use for feminine. For feminine, we have also used Sion form, CION. One very common thing is that we need to understand how to identify a noun, either it is masculine or it is feminine. So nouns generally in Spanish divided in two parts. First is masculine, second is feminine. What is noun? I told you, a naming word for any living thing, for anything, for idea, or you can say feelings, that is called a noun. And in Spanish, noun depends, mostly it depends on the ending of the word. If the word ends with O, it's mean that it refers to masculine, and if it is ends with A, then it's mean it refers to feminine. So masculine mostly ends with O, feminine mostly ends with A, and masculine represent male, feminine represent female. Female and masculine, male. This is about the noun, masculine, feminine. Gender also, how to identify. Noun also, in English we can say the it can change, noun can change by the ending, or noun can identify by the ending. For example, Englishman. But in Spanish, noun depend on the ending word. For example, camarero. Camarero, ending with O. Ending with O, it's mean that it is masculine. Means male. Male writer. Camarero means writer. So it means it refers to masculine. Masculine means male. Then camarera, ending with A, means feminine refers to female, means female writer. So masculine means male, feminine means female, ending with their words. In the same way, this is for the human being, and for the animals also, the nouns also identify with the ending words in Spanish. For example, el el toro means the bull. El toro. El toro means ending with o, mean the bull. But same way, the word ending with la voca, ending with a means feminine, the cow. For the animals also, we can say masculine and feminine. So these are masculine and feminine. Masculine refers to male. Now we will do masculine and feminine forms of word. Like in Spanish, like in English, Spanish sometimes has very different words for male and female. Masculine and feminine words for masculine feminine forms word. Yes. So in English, like English, Spanish sometimes has very different words for male and females. For example, el hombre means the man, la mujer means the woman, el rey means the king, la reina means the queen. Many Spanish words can be used to talk about man or woman simply by changing the ending. So the first form is like this. Spanish sometimes has very different words for males and females. In Spanish, sometimes has very different words for men and women. Men and women. For example, el hombre. In English also it is same. In English as in Spanish also, sometimes has very different words for men and women. For example, el hombre means the man. In the same way, la mujer means the woman. El rey means the king. Then la reina means the queen. So as like English, Spanish sometimes has very different words for male, man and woman. For example, el hombre, the man, la mujer, the woman, el rey, the king, la reina, the queen. And the second thing is that many Spanish words can be used to talk about man or woman simply by changing the ending. Many Spanish words can be used to talk about many Spanish words can be used to talk about man or woman simply by changing the ending. Many Spanish words can be used to talk about simply by changing the ending. For example, el amigo. For example, el amigo ends with O. So ends with O means masculine. La amiga ends with A means feminine. Masculine ends with O, feminine ends with A. So, for example, el hermano. El hermano ends with O. La hermana ends with A. El empleado. El empleado means the employee, male employee. Male employee. La empleada means female employee. So the ending of a word, changing the woman, to talk about man or woman simply by changing the ending. In Spanish, words can be used to talk about man or woman simply by changing an end. So it's end with O means masculine, ends with A mean feminine. Then some exceptional cases are also there. For example, some exceptional cases, words ending with A also refers to, some words ending with A also refers to feminine. These are some exceptional cases. For example, el dentista ending with A, but also it refers to male and female for both. El dentista means the dentist. La dentista is also dentist but used for female. El for male. La dentista means female dentist and el dentist means male dentist. Another example for el deportista. El deportista means the sportsman. The sportsman. La deportista means the sportswoman. El and la, these are the articles, but now we are doing the noun. How to identify a noun? Either it is masculine or feminine. So ending depends on the ending. Some words depends on the ending. O ending with, the noun ending with O means masculine. Noun ending with A means feminine. So it's depend on, sometime it's depend on the ending of a word. So this is all about the noun. Then it is all about the noun. Now do a revision. What is a noun? Noun is simply we can say is a naming word for any living thing, for any idea. For example, happiness, woman, Rahul, happiness. All these are nouns. And in Spanish, sometime nouns depends on the ending of the word. Ending with O means masculine, ending with A means feminine. Ending with O means masculine, ending with A means feminine. Means masculine represent male and feminine represent female. So masculine represents male, feminine represent female. Sometimes it's depend on the ending, sometimes it is some common exceptional cases. For example, I told you dentista, both for male and female. El periodista means for example, el deportista, sportsman, and dentista means dentist. These are some exceptional cases. So this is all about the noun. Noun is a common word. Noun is a common calling word for any living substance, and in Spanish, noun also depends on the ending of the word. So it is all about the noun. Do a revision, and in next class we will do the article like el, la, los, and las. These are some common articles, or you can say the definite article in Spanish. How to use el, how to use la, where we have to use los, and where we have to use las. So till then, do the revision. If any doubt, contact us, Captain Zile Singh Academy. Thank you and have a nice day.